When it's easier to connect, it's easier to collaborate. Hi, I'm Kelly Malone with Connection, and if your business is looking for a conference room solution that's geared towards the way we communicate today, then look no further than the Logitech Tap bundle. First, we have the Compute. This is basically a PC that will come preloaded with applications for you to use, whether it be Zoom, maybe Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. And then we have the PC mount. So you can take the Compute and you can mount this right to the back of any monitor, screen, whatever it is that you use in your meeting space. And this is the Tap itself, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So one thing that stands out right away is its sleek form factor. It sits at a really great viewing angle. It has a 10-inch HD anti-glare screen, and it also has an oleophobic coating on it, which means that it's resistant to the oil that's found in your fingertips. It also has a motion sensor right here in the front. So let's say you walk into the conference room, it is gonna sense that you've entered, it's gonna turn on right away, and it will also turn on your monitor or video screen. If you need privacy, or let's say that there is somebody that's hearing impaired, there's a super convenient headphone jack right on the side. Now, the great thing about this device is that you can add it to a conference table without a problem. We've all been in conference rooms when you walk in and there's cables everywhere connecting, whether it's a video monitor, a microphone. Well, underneath this plate right here, there are a system of cable routers and retainers that will help keep wires in place and out of the way. There are also USB-A and C, HDMI, and power ports. So cables can be routed right out of the back or the bottom, and you can take advantage of optional table, boardroom, or wall mounts. Another really great feature are the Visa mounting points. This is gonna allow you to install the unit to a mobile cart. So overall, this is a great solution to help turn any place into a video-enabled meeting space. To find out if this collaboration station is right for your business, contact a Connection account manager today or visit connection.com/Logitech.